Hey folks, it's William with All Solar Texas, a true Texas solar company. Now, we have an exciting announcement to make. Qmerit, which you may or may not recognize that brand name, they're associated specifically with electric vehicles, has selected us as the greater Houston and Brazos Valley area for installation of EVs and all the other different products that they offer, the EV chargers specifically. Now, what does this actually mean for you? If you've been in the market for electric vehicles, you've normally purchased a vehicle from Tesla, from Rivian, from Ford, and then what will happen is the manufacturer will give you a credit, and that credit may be anywhere between $600 upwards of $2,500 depending upon the packages that you selected, and they will give you an opportunity to install an EV charger or a power share bidirectional transfer option, and that goes through the Qmerit system. So it's essentially a coupon, somewhat of a credit. What Qmerit does is they manage all of the installation and the entire process behind the scenes on that. So once you purchase your electric vehicle, you can go onto the Qmerit website, complete all the information. There's a short form that you fill out. You have to take some pictures of your panel just in case there has to be a panel upgrade. You're going to want to identify the location of where you want that charger. And then once all that information goes into the system, Qmerit will assign that to the local installer in your area. If you're in the greater Houston area or in the Bryan College Station area, that request is going to come to us. What we do then is we schedule with you, we go out to the site, we take additional pictures, we have a conversation with you about where's the ideal spot that you want that electric vehicle charger, and then we go ahead and we submit for permit, we design that project out, and then we go and we complete that project all through the Qmerit credit process. So if you're in the market for an electric vehicle, make sure that when you actually get that electric vehicle that you check and ask with the manufacturer, with the dealer, if there's a Qmerit option. If you're in the greater Houston area or Bryan College Station area, we will be that premier installer for you. And so we're happy to work with you for your electric vehicle charging needs, whether or not you're interested in the new Tesla Cyber Beast and you want bidirectional charging, or if you have the Ford F-150 Lightning or the Rivian or any number of electric vehicles out there. If you have any questions about electric vehicle chargers or electric vehicle bidirectional charging capability, please reach out to All Solar Texas or True Texas Solar. We are here to help you answer any questions that you have. Thank you so much for checking us out, and God bless.